See that panel right there? Heat, radio, shifter. We're going to take that out. Now, technically, you can be brutal and go in between this and pull out. I tried doing that. Didn't work. Didn't want to budge. I was like, you know what? Let me keep prying and let me keep digging. But here's what I found. It's actually easier than you think. There's a screw right there, which you pull this panel out. You can pull it down because there's another screw right there. But just pull it out of your way completely, and it'll be so much easier. See? Now, the one screw over here, we traced back and pulled this guy out. After, we pulled this guy out. You see? These little legs align, they push in, they align back up, and you pull it out. Pull, pull, and up out of your way. You grab here, like I just showed, after the one screw that you removed. Now, you can see they're push pins. Now, brutally speaking, you can just pull. See how it becomes a handle? So much easier. Why risk breaking anything or scratching anything when, look, I'm only in it for a minute, and that's how you remove this thing. I like it. There's your part number if you ever need this thing, and safety clips. Another one right there. One right there with no safety clip, and another one over here with a safety clip. So I mean, it's whatever they choose. If they decide to have a safety clip, here's another part number. If they want to put safety clip over here and not over here, it's America's choice. You know, it's land of the free. Do whatever you want. Screw right there, screw right there. Yeah, this shifter knob definitely comes out. Let's go and take the screws out. See if it comes out. It does separate. See that? Love it. It's all plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Just literally pull it out from each other. So push this back in. I'll show you. I was never here. See? It just snaps back in. Put the 4 screws back that I just took out. Mr. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's put them back. With all 4 back, which you already know because you did it, we align everything back up and just push it back into place. See? Not hard now, is it? One screw back, 2 screw back, and we put the rubbers back because I thought this had to come out and it didn't. In you go, and like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and see? We were never here. This puppy, look, line it up, push it in. See you later. Thanks for watching.